here we go. So I got Taragatas here with me today.
Hariom.
Hariom. It's a beautiful sunny day. There's some nice waves over there. Got a surfboard ready to go. Great water element. It's very important for us. I see you in the water, yeah? Woohoo! See there the fish carry, actually the bird carrying the fish. It's beautiful, the wildlife here too in the ocean, you know. It's incredible how the nature works. Even better to be so fully in contact, interaction with Mother Nature right now. Alright, let's catch some more waves. And guess what? I have a mermaid here taking pictures.